What's good, YouTube? My name is SBGGXNZO, and you are now watching Hands of Faith Barbershop. This is the first video that I made for this YouTube channel, and I hope y'all enjoy it. We got a little banger for y'all today. It's gonna be an unboxing of Tpob plays. Yeah, clippers look fire. In this video, I'm gonna be comparing them a little bit to the Low Pro FX1s and to the Wall Seniors as well. Doing a little sound test, comparing the weights, comparing the ergonomics, stuff like that. Kind of sort of going over the levers a little bit, not too in depth. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy the video. These clippers seem fire. I'm gonna definitely be using them, adding them in there. I needed that 5-hour run time. Your boy only been cut for about 5 months. My jaws be taking about an hour and a half, depending on your head, maybe even longer. But I'm getting nice though. Better believe that. I'm getting nice though. Believe it. Anyway, all my links are down below if you're interested in the barbershop. Hands of Faith Barbershop, Philly, Jersey, Delaware area. I can come to you, you can come to me. This is still in the background right here. And if you're into nerdy shit, SBGGXNZO, anywhere. Gonzo spelled with an X though. Alright. Follow me on Twitch, TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff. Tell a friend, and we can all be friends. Anyway, enjoy the video. Peace, God bless. What's good, everybody? My name is Gonzo from Hands of Faith Barbershop. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Tpob plays. Been seeing a lot about these clippers. I usually run the Bayless Low Pro FX1s, and I kind of wanted a secondary clipper. These are kind of close to the JRLs, being that they got like the 5-hour battery life, and I'm still like a new barber. It's like my 5th month, 6th month into this, and it's still taking me like an hour and a half to cut hair. So this will be perfect. All right, so anyway, we're gonna jump right into this unboxing. I just got these in the mail off Amazon. I think they came like maybe like 3-4 days ago. I originally ordered them, they were out of stock, and yeah, they just came back. So anyway, let's do this unboxing. If you are interested in like what my haircuts actually look like, you can follow me, Hands of Faith Barbershop, on Instagram or on TikTok, and I'll put the link in the description as well. If you're interested in following me, my name is SBGGXNZO, and again, my link will be in the description, just like the barbershop page. All right, so boom, here goes the box. Some of y'all might have seen unboxing videos already, but anyway, I'm just going to kind of run through the same stuff. It's kind of dope seeing a box in person. I thought it was a lot bigger from what I was seeing online. As you can see, the side has the pretty dope artwork. Tpob always has like this cool artwork, making fun of like the barber industry and all the other barbers too, but yeah, it looks pretty sick. This is how the back of the box works, so we'll just read a little bit of it. Biggest thing I would say is quietest motor in the industry at only 58 decibels. That's huge. 5-hour runtime. Yep, 3-hour charge produces more than 5 hours of battery life. So a 3-hour charge. All right, so you got to charge for 3 hours. All right, that's not too bad. 5-click lever system, opens up to a true 1. So I got like that I don't know, stretch lever. Equipped with the Play XO fusion blade. This looks pretty dope. Has oil reservoirs just like the FX1s do. Rubber exchangeable grips. You got the black, the green, and the pink right there. Yeah, and it has a dual motor as well. So I never had something with a dual motor. I don't know if I use that too much, but I'll definitely give it a shot. I heard it's good to use the low speed when you're detailing, if I remember correctly. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this, John. If you are looking for haircuts, again, Hands of Faith Barbershop. I'm located in Philly. I'm kind of cutting out the crib now. I do have a nice little setup in the crib though, so I can get you right. I got the right lighting, I got everything. Your boy done invested. Anyway, honestly, I'm kind of surprised with this box. This is like super high quality. This is kind of impressive here. All right, bang. So as you can see, we open it up. You got more of the dope looking artwork on the inside. I'm sure a lot of y'all see this, have seen this already if you looked up on previous unboxing videos. I'm only using my 50mm lens, so I don't really have a wide shot right now, so I apologize for it being real tight, but it is what it is. All right, so let's open it up first. This is the charging block. Not super heavy, but I don't think it'll cause any issues. It should keep your clippers right where they need to be. Shouldn't be falling over or anything. We'll test that out too. I know I have like the Wall Seniors, and the block is a lot heavier than this, but this seems like it'll be heavy enough. Here are the rubber grips. I have my gloves on, so I can't really feel how they feel. yeah, they're not like super sticky. That's dope. So I don't think that hair will stick to them too bad. So we got our black ones right here. We also have our pink ones, and I'm guessing on the clippers the green ones. We'll take this out for now, set it aside. Under each clipper you got these plates that you can change out. One is for the clipper itself, and the other one is going to be for the base here. I don't know if I'll go through the trouble of changing those out. I have no idea. Pink actually looks kind of fire. Alright, so those are those right there. Let's see what's under this tray. You got your instruction manual right there. This comes with a couple guards. Let's see what these guards look like. You got the half guard in there. These definitely aren't like premium guards, but they actually don't feel that bad. I've been rocking with the Babyliss premium guards lately. My clients have said they feel a lot smoother on the head. I was using some Marty Blends Johns, and they were saying they were kind of digging into the scalp, but they didn't really mention that they hurt or anything. But once I switched to the Babyliss, they said they definitely noticed a difference. The Marty Blends is kind of thin like these, so maybe I was pressing into the scalp a little too hard too. I'm a noob. These aren't bad though. If you don't got any guards, this is pretty dope. They go all the way up to a 4, so that's pretty dope. All right, also in here we do have our charger. Standard charger right there. Doesn't have USB-C. A screwdriver so you can zero gap them and adjust them. It also comes with a zero gap tool, I believe, which is this guy here. Have no idea how to use this. I'm gonna assume this is a zero gap tool. I'm gonna have to figure that out though. I have no idea. Let me switch this to manual. Fuck it. I'll leave it alone. Alright, it does come with some oil in here too, so you can keep your blades nice and smooth and maintain them. You got a couple small screws here. Not really sure what these are for. Maybe they're for the plates. Does come with a standard little brush, like pretty much every other clipper comes with. So pretty much standard stuff here. Double check under this last tray, and it looks like we're at the end of the road. All right, so cool little packaging. Definitely like the way they did this. This is my first Tpob anything that I bought, Tpob product. So this is a real good first impression on my end. All right, so now the clipper itself, I'm gonna put these to the side for now. Moment of truth. All right, there it is. Comes with the clipper guard on there. I love using these. I always put these back on after I'm done cleaning my blades. We'll take that off. It doesn't look like it has a rubber inside, which I like even better. Damn, first impression, super light. This is super light. It fits in your hand literally perfect. It kind of has like that flashlight style, like the Babyliss Johns do, but it's not as bulky. Like, I know the JRL has a 5-hour runtime, but honestly that circular design kind of turned me off. But this kind of just fits like right in your hand. Like, I could definitely see myself using this a lot. Here's the click lever. Super smooth. Not really a visual indicator on here like there is with the low pros. The low pros, you kind of see where you're at. So this will definitely take a little bit of adjustment for me. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks total. So you got basically open, midway, close, and then the 2 in between. That's pretty dope. This is the blade itself. I don't know if y'all can see it really good. I'll try to get as close as I can. It does kind of look like the MIM blade a little bit from Babyliss, being that it has the lines. It just doesn't have like the little swirls there. The bottom blade is kind of cut at like a certain, or I don't even know what angle that would be, maybe like a 45-degree angle. But yeah, should get the job done. Let's turn it on real quick. Well, let's see how gapped they are. You're definitely not super zero gap, so you might need to get them a little closer if you're used to that, but it's not that bad. Definitely you could probably start cutting hair with them right out the box without having a zero gap done. But you know, if your trimmers are zero gap, if you're used to working with zero gap clippers, probably definitely gonna need a little adjustment on there. The grooves feel really good in your hand, definitely ergonomically friendly. Reminds me of my low pros a lot, but it feels a lot slimmer too. And let's turn it on. Nah, that's mad quiet. That's crazy. That's like super quiet. So this is the most powerful mode. Lever is super smooth. You do got your hang tab at the bottom right here too, in case you do want to hook it on something. That's pretty dope. None of my clippers have that right now. Let me see the charging port. We'll just plug it in just for shits and giggles. It fits in there nice and snug too. Lit. All right, let me grab my low pros. We'll compare them real quick just for reference, and I'll also grab my seniors. Okay, so we have the wall seniors here, and we also have our low pros, our low pro FX1s. I already know these are lightest for sure. I mean, the low pros with the battery in, these feel really balanced, really nice. Love my low pros. These Johns feel like, I don't know though, like they fit perfect in your hand. They're definitely a little bit smaller, profile wise, like a little bit thinner. And I think because the bottom it feels a little slimmer. It's definitely a little bit slimmer at the bottom. They just feel smaller in your hand overall. Me, I don't got the biggest hands in the world, so these actually feel slightly more comfortable than my low pros, even though there's not a problem with the low pros. The low pros are just a little more pause, no diddy, girthy. But these are definitely thin. Like even when you look at the side, you can see for sure that these are a little bit slimmer. Probably even slimmer than the walls too. These are by far, like, I would say these feel probably the heaviest. Yeah, for sure. The seniors are definitely the heaviest. I love my seniors too. But yeah, let's turn them on real quick. We'll do a sound test. So seniors are dumb loud. The low pros got a nice sound to them, and these are plays. Definitely the most quiet clippers that I own for sure. Yeah, if you're looking for something quiet, the plays are gonna be the way to go. 100%, 100% much quieter. Yeah, that's like stupid loud. Craziness. Anyway, that's really it. Not much to it. Go ahead and zero gap these Johns if you want that. If not, you know, they should hit right out the box. 3 hours charging time. I didn't know that. I didn't know it took that long. But you know, I guess like when you run it for 5 hours, it's gonna take a little bit longer to charge. I don't know if these have like some sort of boost charging mode, or like if you charge it for like 20 minutes, it'll get like 50% or something. I know some products do that. Usually like phones will have like a fast charging thing. So I don't know, but usually to maintain battery, you want to make sure you charge them up all the way. That's usually like rule of thumb. But anyway, that's really it. Appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, sub. I should be posting more content. And again, if you want to see what my cuts are like, if you're in the Philly area, you want to get chopped by me, you can go ahead and holla at me on the gram. It's Hands of Fate Barbershop. And my personal IG is SBGGXNZO. I also have a gaming channel where I play Fortnite mostly and just mess around with my friends and stuff. You can holler at me on here too. That's also SBGGXNZO as well. Alright, one thing I did forget to mention, and I promise I will go over it, is the base. So this is how they look in the base right here. Again, the base isn't super weighty, so when you put them in, it's gonna be like that, but it's not moving too much. You know what I mean? Like if you bump your station, like they're not gonna fall over. It's definitely good. I've definitely noticed like sometimes when I take them out, you see like the base will go up a little bit. It's probably just not because the base isn't heavy enough, but probably just because it has like the little like rubber grip, so it'll just kind of get stuck a little bit. But I'd assume that with over time, with a little more wear, that it'll be able to come in and out the base like super smooth. You know what I mean? If it's a real big deal, just slap some 3M, some double-sided tape on the bottom, put that joint down, and you'll be able to get it in and out without having to worry about the base, like, you know what I mean, doing that. So that's what I would do. I would just put some 3M at the bottom, tape it down. You know, if you want to take it a step further, you could just get a little weight, a little like metal plate or something, maybe double-sided tape that to the bottom, and it'll just weigh it down a little bit. But it's not too bad. I mean, most clippers don't even come with a base, so I ain't mad at it. Anyway, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this review. God bless y'all. Have a good day. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I already said it. I just said it again, though.